Hello, a warm welcome to you from SGT University. I am Shelly, Faculty of Nursing. Today, we are going to discuss about the topic low birth weight babies. The normal birth weight of newborns in our country is around 2800 to 3000 grams. In India, over 30% infants born are low birth weight. Nearly 75% neonatal death and 50% infant death occur among the low birth weight neonates. Low birth weight babies is a term used to describe the babies born who are weighing less than 2500 grams. Usually, the normal baby born weighing 2500 to 3500 grams. A low birth weight baby may be healthy, even he or she is small, and also have some serious health problems. Preterm labor occur in teenage mothers and in the setting of low maternal weight. Cervical incompetency, antepartum hemorrhage, previous fetal loss, previous preterm delivery. Sometimes preterm delivery is medically induced for the sake of the baby, as in the case of Rh isoimmunization or maternal diabetes mellitus. Poor nutritional status of the mother and frequent pregnancies are the major cause of intrauterine growth retardation. Mother with a weight of less than 40 kg and a height of less than 145 cm often give a birth to small for date babies. Insufficient nutritional intake during pregnancy also have an adverse effect on fetal weight. Maternal hypertension, preeclampsia, post-maturity, frequent pregnancies, multiple pregnancies, anemia, malaria, and tobacco use are other causes of intrauterine growth retardation. Chronic maternal disease of heart, kidney, lungs, or liver may also lead to intrauterine growth retardation. First, very low birth weight infant. An infant whose birth weight is less than 1500 grams. Second, extremely low birth weight infant. An infant whose birth weight is less than 1000 grams. Third, appropriate for gestational age infant. An infant whose weight falls between the 10th and 90th percentile on intrauterine growth curves. Fourth, small for date or small for gestational age infants. An infant whose rate of intrauterine growth was slow and whose birth weight fall between the 10th percentile on intrauterine growth curves. Fifth, intrauterine growth retardation. Found in infants whose intrauterine growth is restricted. Under this, there are two types of IUGR infants: symmetric IUGR, asymmetric IUGR. In symmetric IUGR, growth restriction in which the weight, length, and head circumference are all affected. In asymmetric IUGR, growth restriction in which the head circumference remain within the normal parameter while the birth weight fall below the 10th percentile. Sixth, large for gestational age infant. An infant whose birth weight fall above the 90th percentile on intrauterine growth chart. Low oxygen level at the time of birth, inability to maintain body temperature, difficulty in feeding and gaining weight, infection such as neonatal sepsis, breathing problem such as infant respiratory distress syndrome, neurological problem such as intraventricular hemorrhage, gastrointestinal problem such as necrotizing enterocolitis, sudden infant death syndrome. Nearly all low birth weight baby need specialized care in the neonatal intensive care unit until they gain weight and are well enough to go home. Survival of infant with low birth weight depend largely on how much the baby weight at birth, with the smallest babies having the lowest survival rate. During pregnancy, a baby birth weight can be estimated in different ways. The height of the fundus can be measured from the pubic bone. This measurement in centimeter usually corresponds with the number of weeks of pregnancy after the 20th week. If the measurement is low for the number of weeks, the baby may be smaller than expected. Ultrasound is more accurate method of estimating the fetal size. Babies are weighed in the first few hours after the birth. The weight is compared with the baby's gestational age and recorded in the medical record. A birth weight less than 2500 grams is diagnosed as low birth weight. Babies weighing less than 1500 grams at birth are considered very low birth weight. So today we discuss about the low birth weight babies. The next time we meet, we will be exploring management of low birth weight babies. Keep growing, keep learning. See you next time.